Hello, everybody. Scott Golden here with the Golden Opportunities Coaching YouTube channel. Welcome to those of you who are new. Welcome to those of you seasoned veterans of what we do around here. What we do around here is bring about conversations of a psychological, emotional, mental, and spiritual health and coaching related paradigm. We do that on a daily basis, or almost daily. We try to be here multiple times per week. We've got over 650 of these available in a variety of topics for your listening pleasure. Please feel free to reach out if you're looking for coaching and how to have a richer, more full, and complete life. Through at PO Perception on Twitter or through the About Me section of this web page. The more you do that, the easier we can be of service, and would love to be of service to you in 2021 and beyond. So, habits of the rich, and when I speak about rich, I'm talking about people who are financially wealthy, spiritually and emotionally wealthy, and rich in the quality of relationships that they have. And so this is and there's 6 or 7 things that these people do that will create that rich lifestyle. The first is experience. They take advantage of every experience they can have. They value experiences more than they value outcomes of events and or goals. What that means is they take advantage of every moment to the best of their ability, realizing that it's probably building towards some goal that they have. They avoid distractions that are based in technology or based in repetition and value relationships more than that which is non relational. These experiences create memories, but they also create a bank of knowledge that if you're ever in a similar experience, you already have some degree of knowledge in order to be able to use for your own benefit in almost any situation. The more that you are focused on moving forward into having a diverse group of experience, the better quality of life that you will have in the long and short run. The next is focus. They understand what they're focused on. They understand how to shift between being completely focused, almost having blinders on like a horse race, and being able to switch into, short bursts of breaks of entertainment or momentary distraction to be able to create a level of leverage to experience things in a more meaningful way. This is valuable because people who only stay at a single pace are more likely to burn out quickly, mentally and emotionally. So, switching between things but remaining focused on, I'm going to relax now and I'm focusing on relaxation, I'm focused on work, I'm focused on our friendship, I'm focused on communicating with you or getting a point across, I'm focused on email. In other words, whatever you have in front of you, be focused only on that thing instead of the things that you're going to do next. Next is they study success. What that means for most people is they look at how other successful people in their industry and outside it and around it are achieving things in life. They read biographies, they listen to audios, they listen to audiobooks, they will go to seminars, they will do things that surround them with people that are successful in ways that they are not yet, or in ways that they are that they're trying to expand. They begin to understand that it's not having a bunch of friends who are all at your level that matters. When I was in entertainment, one of the first things I ever learned was be in there and around people who are going to raise your level, not people at your level. Because if the only people you are at in connection with are at your level, you're not going to increase. You're just going to kind of stay the same. So always study and be around as many people who are above you as you can so you can learn and grow in every opportunity. The next is break new ground and take new approaches. There's no such thing as new concepts in a lot of scenarios. Obviously, there's new technology, but the concept is the same. Make life easier. There's new cars, but the concept is the same. Get from point A to point B. But if you're breaking new ground in an existing format, if you're taking something that is already in existence, a thought, a concept, an idea, a product, and you're making it better, you're breaking new ground. And when you do that, especially with a brand or idea that people already are attached to, you will be cutting edge and a leader. The next is think long term. Now, long term for some people can be a year, other people it's 5 to 10 years, other people it's decades down the road, but always be thinking about expanding into the next curve. Where is entertainment going in the next 5 years? Where is music going in the next 10 years? Where is comedy going in the next, 3 years? No matter what your industry is, no matter what it is that you do, thinking about where things are going to be medium and long term will give you value and make you richer because you're ahead of the curve and you can plan and adjust according to what's coming rather than what is. If you're only involved in what is, when the bubble bursts on whatever's popular, you have kind of the need to make up for lost time. The last is give as much as you can, give every chance you can, not because you want to be taken advantage of. And unfortunately, there are people that will take advantage of givers. That's been that way since the beginning of time. But if you give, you will do two things. You will create opportunities to connect with people on deeper levels, and you will also be of maximum benefit and value to people who might not understand what's going on with them, and they may be able to connect with you on a base of need, build community with you in the end, and at the end of the day, be in a healthier, more meaningful place. In any event, I encourage you, keep your feet on the ground, your mind in the moment. Until next time, everybody.